Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to try and fix this iPhone 7 that a customer brought in that's boot looping consistently on the Apple logo. They want to see if it can be revived again because they have really important data on it that has not been backed up to iCloud. So the only way of getting their data is to get the phone in a working state. As of right now, the phone just keeps boot looping anytime you try to turn it on or plug it in the charger. The phone is in near pristine condition with no scratches on the screen or the housing. It even has a screen protector on it. They mentioned that not too long after they purchased it, it went to the Apple logo and it wouldn't come back on. I'm going to start this repair off by putting the phone on the heat mat with the temperature of 154 degrees Fahrenheit. I want to warm up the screen a little so it's easier to take off and that I don't damage the original screen. You can leave the phone on the heat mat for about less than a minute. Anything longer can possibly discolor the LCD if it's an older device like this one. Heat makes everything easier when it comes to repairing these. The bottom two pentalobe screws come out, and then I'm going to pry off the screen gently around the corners without damaging the black color housing, which is very easy to do with the prying tool. It's also very easy to damage the LCD with the prying tool as well. With my iFixit driver, I'm going to unscrew the 4 tri-wing screws, removing the faceplate covering the LCD and the battery connectors. The first thing you do is disconnect the battery so there is no power going to the logic board. I disconnected the battery after removing the faceplate covers. After doing so, I'm going to use the Phillips head to unscrew and remove the faceplate holding in the proximity sensor cable. These 3 cables need to be disconnected before removing the screen. The first thing I'm going to try is a new battery to see if the phone will turn on. Sometimes the battery is the issue causing the phone to boot loop. I'm not so sure in this case, but this is usually the first thing I do when it comes to diagnosing phones. Usually when the phone is boot looping with a battery issue, the battery is very bloated and you can tell because the screen is popping out from the side and the phone would just go off and on with the Apple logo. So in this case here, as you can see, after putting in the new battery, it did the same thing. So it's actually not the battery. The second thing I'm going to do to diagnose it is unplug the front proximity sensor cable and turn on the phone without it being plugged in. A lot of times that cable either gets water damage or becomes defective, causing the phone to loop. As you can see again, we have some progress, but this time it's just a spinning circle. The last thing I'm going to try doing is actually using a program called 3U Tools, which is only available on Windows computers. This program is awesome. It has many great features which I'm not going to get into right now, but most importantly, it has the feature to update the phone while retaining user data. And I'm going to describe that in a moment. But first I'm going to get the phone into recovery mode to allow 3U Tools to connect to it. You can put the iPhone 7 into recovery mode by holding down the power button and the volume down button while it's connected for about 20 seconds, and then eventually the recovery screen will pop up. After the phone is plugged in and into recovery mode, the program will ask you to download the latest iOS update, which is what I'm doing here. This took about 5 minutes or so. If you have decent Wi-Fi connection, it should download pretty fast. Now the next step is very important. You want to click Fix Flash on the bottom left side here. This will update the phone and keep the information that's on it. This process will take about 15 to 20 minutes. I fast forwarded this part of the video so you guys can see. So it finally finished with no errors. Many times you might possibly get errors when doing this. Now it says press home to recover, and you have to enter your passcode. The customer did not want to give me their passcode at this time, which is fine, but I know it will work after putting it in. They'll come back at a later time to enter it in so we can do it together. The data will also be there. This is not the first time I've done this. I've done this plenty of times, and that's how I know it will work. This was the fix, updating the phone using the program 3U Tools on the computer. The boot loop issue can be caused by many different things, from software or to hardware. A lot of times this issue can be caused by the phone also having full storage. When the phone is on full storage, it'll crash and it'll just keep re-looping on the Apple logo. So to wrap this up, I'm going to put the phone back together. I didn't need a new water resistant seal because surprisingly the original one was still durable. It took a little effort to get the screen off in the beginning, that's how I know. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. I tried to put more effort into every new video I'm making, so hopefully you guys learned something from this.